Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to show you a really quick eyeshadow technique for drawing out the perfect shape and blending it. It's fearless proof. So the first thing you're going to need is an eyeshadow palette. Now we're going to be working from browns and it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to take some colours and just go like this because I don't care. That way you can call yourself an artist. So what you're going to do is start on the lower lash line and you're going to draw a line and then move this line out to the outside corner of the eyebrow. And now I'm just going to bring it in and about just past a third of the way. That's it. Next, I'm going to go back in, just, don't care, it's fine. And I'm just going to fill in this outside corner and eyelid. Doesn't have to be perfect. So next, you're going to need a triangular sponge, preferably a dry one, make sure it's dry, and you're going to need a cream foundation or concealer. I'm going to use this concealer here by Laura Mercier, and all I want you to do is get some product onto the sponge and then dab it off on the back of your hand. Now the trick here is that you're using a foundation that's your skin color to bleed out and blend this eyeshadow design, because we've drawn the design, which in this case is elongating the eye. So now all we do is start on the edge and we slowly move this edge up, and this will start to soften and blend that line, which you can see is happening right now. And then underneath the eye, do little patting, pressing motions to blend this lower line. And if there's a stronger line on the outside corner, you can just gently blend it away. So now that you've blended that line away, and you can see it blends away really quickly, I'm now just going to go back in and just stabilize the skin and just lightly run this slightly darker color just across the eyelid. And then I'm going to take that sponge and I'm just going to lightly blend it. Now, if you need to sharpen up that outside corner of the eye, just gently take your sponge and just very lightly sharpen this outside corner. And then all we'll do now is apply a bit of mascara. I wanted you to see how simple that is, that you've drawn this graphic line, but you can blend it out into something much softer, much easier, much more wearable. Now this is still a relatively strong look because it's for demonstration purposes only. But you can see that it's easy to do this because you're just drawing the shape you want and blending it out. So I'm going to apply a very light coat of mascara and then we're done. Okay, and we're complete. So you saw how simple that was. Now, all you've got to do is draw the shape, get a sponge with a bit of dry concealer, cream concealer, blend it out, put some mascara on, and you're good to go. It takes the fear out of eyeshadow. It's also a little bit fun, a little bit creative, and a simple way of blending. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.